And everyone, welcome to this new Talkie Pwnii video. So today we're gonna talk about the last month's Dojo, which was the 49 and which was called Phishing. So this challenge have been developed by Permanence and is mainly called in NodeJS. So today we're gonna talk about homographic attacks with Punycode, and we will talk about Sandbox escape in NodeJS. Usually we are having a look at the setup of the code, but here there is nothing super interesting, so we will directly have a look to the main part of this challenge. Here is the initialization of the database. If we go here, we can see that this database contains a table called website with two different things, some website and some code. So the website will directly refer to the domain, and the code will refer to all the code of the website. So if we have a look quickly at the front end of this challenge, this one is really beautiful. Honestly, this is my favorite one. So we understand that we can buy some website and we can define some code for the website we previously bought. Just after that, there is a condition looking if the website is available or not. But if the website we're trying to buy isn't into this database, we will be able to buy a new one, and just be sure our user input website will be changed from Punycode to Unicode. This one is one of the most interesting part of the challenge, because if our website is this one, the Dojo yes we hack with this strange O, the code will be verified into a Sandbox environment with VM from NodeJS. We will see after that what we can do with that. To have a look closer to all those functions, for example, website is available is looking if the website you're trying to buy is into the website table. This is basically inserted in the website, etc. Now we know that we are able to buy some website, but we can't buy the two defined into the table. So we can't buy the Dojo swag.com with the strange hoe here, and we can buy the second one. But we really want to buy the first one, because as you can see here, if we buy the first one, the code we previously insert will be verified into a sandbox, which means that we will possibly have the luck to escape from this sandbox. When we're trying to buy a website, this one will be changed from Punycode to Unicode, which means that we will be able to try to use Punycode. For an example, this domain in Punycode will look like that, so we will be able to buy this domain, because when this Punycode will be converted into Unicode, it will literally be the domain we wanted to buy. This attack is common in phishing because you can easily look like another website. For example, this is a proof of concept. If I click to the proof of concept, you will see that I will be on the apple.com website, but the reality is that I'm not on the Apple website, and the A isn't the real A we are commonly using. Punycode domains are directly converted into Unicode domains because DNS only support ASCII, so it have to be converted to be valid. Okay, so now that we successfully buy this domain, we will be able to directly verify the source code into the Sandbox environment of NodeJS. If we go to the NodeJS documentation, we can see that the VM module is not a security mechanism, and that we can't run the ingested code because it could lead to security issues. So this is exactly the case in which we are, and we're gonna exploit this. Here is another example to introduce you a constructor in JavaScript. So firstly, I created an empty object. In JavaScript, all the objects are directly created with some constructor, and here object is directly the default constructor. So for the second one, constructor will return object because this is an empty object. And just after that, object.constructor will return function, because in JavaScript all constructors are a function. And by accessing to function, we can directly call every kind of function we want, and we can have some arbitrary code execution. So now we know that by having constructor.constructor, we are able to call some function, and we know that the flag is directly into the environment variable and is called flag. We can try to execute a function to directly call environment variable. If we have a look quickly at the Node.js documentation, we can say that we can use process.env. So let's try to use process.env.flag as it's specified into the info. And then we got the flag because we have been successfully able to call the function of Node.js by calling the constructor of constructor. If we can do that, it's only because the VM module from Node.js isn't blocking any kind of constructor. I let you imagine that it will be super hard to block all the constructor because nothing will work. That's why in the Node.js documentation, you can see that you don't have to run some adjusted code into the sandbox because it's super easy to escape with constructor. Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any kind of recommendation, feel free to comment. And yeah, if you liked the video, press the button like. See ya!